So I was really curious how this convertible table or 2-in-1 table was going to look as 2 side tables. So the first thing I did was disassemble it, and it didn't have the standard screws, but rather these hex bolts. So I used a Folding Hex Key Set. Mine's a Husky. Works really well, and I just used this set to remove them. I find this tool super handy to have, as I've run into a good few pieces. They're usually newer pieces that are assembled this way. These tables were really easy to take apart, and here's what they look like in 2 pieces.